Welcome back Ceylon Tech Zone channel. In this video we're going to talk about an essential topic for any workshop, business or organization: maintenance management. Whether you're a small factory, workshop, business owner or part of a larger organization, having an effective maintenance management system in place is crucial for the smooth operation and longevity of your assets. In this video, we'll be discussing the key aspects of maintenance management and providing some valuable tips. So let's get started. Introduction to maintenance management. Before we dive into the details, let's first understand what maintenance management is all about. Maintenance management involves the planning, organizing and controlling of maintenance activities to ensure the optimal functioning of assets, equipment and facilities. It encompasses preventive maintenance, corrective maintenance, and predictive maintenance strategies. Importance of maintenance management. Why is maintenance management so important? Well, let me tell you, proper maintenance management leads to increased equipment reliability, reduced downtime, and improved overall productivity. It helps prevent unexpected breakdowns, extends the lifespan of assets, and enhances workplace safety. Moreover, it can save you significant costs in the long run by avoiding costly repairs or replacements. Key elements of maintenance management. Now let's discuss the key elements that make up a robust maintenance management system. 1. Asset inventory. Start by creating an inventory of all your assets, including equipment, machinery, and facilities. This allows you to keep track of what needs maintenance and when. 2. Maintenance planning. Develop a proactive maintenance plan that includes regular inspections, preventive maintenance tasks, and scheduled downtime. This helps identify potential issues before they become major problems. 3. Work order management. Implement a system to manage work orders effectively. This involves documenting maintenance requests, prioritizing tasks, assigning technicians, and tracking progress. 4. Spare parts management. Maintain an inventory of essential spare parts to minimize equipment downtime. Regularly review and update your stock to ensure you have what you need when maintenance is required.
Number 5. Data and performance analysis. Leverage technology to gather and analyze data on maintenance activities. This enables you to identify trends, track key performance indicators, and make data-driven decisions for continuous improvement.
Best practices in maintenance management. To make your maintenance management system even more effective, here are some best practices to keep in mind. 1. Regular training. Provide training to your maintenance staff to keep their skills up to date. This ensures they are equipped to handle different types of equipment and maintenance tasks. 2. Preventive maintenance scheduling. Schedule preventive maintenance tasks based on manufacturer recommendations, equipment usage, and historical data. This helps prevent unexpected breakdowns and extends equipment lifespan. 3. Documentation and record keeping. Maintain comprehensive records of all maintenance activities, including work orders, maintenance logs, and service reports. This documentation is valuable for future reference and analysis. 4. Continuous improvement. Regularly review your maintenance processes and seek feedback from your maintenance team. Look for areas of improvement and implement changes to enhance efficiency and effectiveness. And that wraps up our guide to maintenance management. By implementing these strategies and best practices, you'll be well on your way to optimizing your maintenance operations. Remember, a well-maintained facility leads to smoother operations and happier customers. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.